Meaning of hip bath.
Hip bath.
Hip bath.
Hip bath.
Hip bath. A hip bath is a type of bath where only the hips and lower body are immersed in water. This type of bath is typically used for therapeutic purposes, such as to alleviate pain or discomfort in the pelvic area caused by menstrual cramps, hemorrhoids, or urinary tract infections. The warm water helps to improve circulation, relax muscles, and reduce inflammation in the affected area. Hip baths can also be used for relaxation and stress relief, and are often included as part of traditional healing practices in various cultures around the world.